How to fix character AI not loading. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're facing lag issue with your character AI, fear not, it can be easily recovered. Starting off, tap open your phone settings. Within your phone settings, scroll down until you see the option of apps and head over to all apps. Now tap on the search icon and search for character AI. Starting off, tap on force stop and OK so that you force a restart of the app. After that, head over to storage and cache and tap on the clear cache button. This will help you to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. Then you can head back from here. Tap open your Play Store and tap on the search bar to search for character AI to check for any of the update. If you find an update button, just click on it and wait until the app updates. Please note that while your character AI is under update, it will simply not work. So if that is the case, let the app update completely, then try to launch it. And I bet it will work. If it still does not work, you can try by uninstalling the application and reinstalling it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.